The First-Time Parent, an honest guide to coping brilliantly with your newborn baby. Nutritious bites for baby. Babies certainly can't live on milk alone. Even though it's essential to feed your little one with milk for the first few months, you also need to think about solid foodstuffs once the baby shows certain indications of readiness. Cooking for your baby is pretty much like cooking for grown-ups. The only difference is that preparing baby food calls for extra attention and care in the preparation and handling of ingredients. Pre-cooking basics. As a rule, you need to wash your hands with soap and hot water prior to preparing your baby's meal. Be sure to dry them using a clean towel before touching any of the ingredients. Also, you should wash your cooking utensils beforehand. Preparing ingredients. Fruits and veggies. Wash, peel, and cut up fruits and vegetables prior to cooking. In addition, remove the stones and seeds if you see any. Fish. Take out the bones, fat, and other tough parts before cooking. Once the fish is done, take it to bits and do away with any leftover traces of skin and bones. Meat. Cut all the fat away before cooking. Once the meat is done, slice it into tiny portions. Don't forget to get rid of any bone and other tough bits. Cooking baby food. Except for bananas and avocados, all types of fruits and veggies should be cooked before feeding them to your little one. You have the option to microwave, boil, or steam them. Some varieties of fruit, for example pear or apple, can even be oven cooked. Nonetheless, steam cooking remains to be the most excellent choice, since it preserves a greater amount of nutrients. You must boil carrots, turnips, and spinach rather than using the microwave or steam cooker. These vegetables can contain potentially detrimental nitrates that are largely removed in the course of boiling. You may cook meat and fish any way you like. Just see to it that they are well done and that you take out all the fat and bones prior to serving. Serving suggestions. Make use of a mashing fork or a food blender to mix up the food to its appropriate texture. If your baby is still in the early stages of taking solids, then the food must be totally liquefied. As his or her tolerance to solid food increases, you can slowly transition to slightly thicker and chunkier servings. The two most vital tips to remember when cooking for your little one are: 1. Do not prepare foods that are not suitable for their age, and 2. See to it that they are able to tolerate the consistency of the food.